The world's second largest economy, which implies the most advanced financial systems in use, still grapples with a grave tax problem. Yes, collecting taxes from more than 1,439,323,776 people would be a humongous task. And that's exactly the first problem with the country's tax system, the inefficiency of the management systems. Please subscribe to the channel. Sage here for Kalkine Media. China also stands far behind when it comes to the ease of paying taxes. According to a report by the World Bank, it takes 263 hours annually to prepare taxes in China, compared to an average of 198 hours in East Asia and the Pacific region. This also serves as one of the reasons why taxes are being evaded in China. At various times, people are unaware of the rules and conditions, and the other times they refrain from indulging into the complexities. China's tax system also underwent a complete change in 1994 as the Tax System Reform Act came into play, and 22 years later, in 2016, a major change was unveiled with the business tax, or BT, to VAT transition. Before the VAT reform came into place, businesses in the country were subject to different taxes, depending on their industry. The introduction of the VAT reform sought to streamline China's tax system by applying VAT to essentially all industries. And although this was supposed to simplify China's tax system, it has brought various complications to it instead. Now businesses remain uncertain and confused about which VAT category applies to their goods and services. There's another factor that influenced the tax system negatively. Most people in China are employed in the informal economy, which means self-employment or small unregistered enterprises. And with their salary and earnings transferred done on a cash-in-hand basis or digital payments and not a registered paycheck, these people are able to massively reduce their tax burden. Now, although China's government doesn't have much control on its economy, but in order to flourish to an optimal level, China would have to look deeply into its taxation policies and problems. Thanks for joining us on this report. If you like the information, please give it a like, share, comment on the video below and subscribe to the channel. If you press the bell icon, you'll be notified every time Kalkine releases a new video. But for more articles like this, head to the website. It's kalkinemedia.com. My name is Sage for Kalkine Media.